On holiday weekends, the family comes down here and we camp on our farm.
Do it again.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. What if I throw you in the fire? The only payment for camping down here on the weekends is you got to help us build our house. Huh?
Don't throw me in the fire.
You don't want to get thrown in the fire?
No.
Okay, I won't.
And we sit here and we get ashes all over our ashes.
What? I see you.
Fix the fire, get ashes on our ashes.
You look cool. Donald Duck,
That's
you're trouble.
all right.
You literally are covered in
Courtney.
ashes.
Hey, Courtney,
What?
will you make me a sandwich?
Oh my gosh.
Country boys will survive.
Dinner is served.
Dinner is served, Elias.
Babe, you hungry?
I'm hungry too.
Are you?
I want poop.
I'm sitting over here with the boys playing and I hear funny noises and I look up at Donald Duck and this is what I see.
He's old chickadee.
He got one of my chickens out and he's holding it next to the fire.
Yeah, we're gonna have chicken leg.
That is hot. Eli,
I go over and see the horsey.
you went over and saw Tiger Lily?
Yeah.
Eli,
Wow.
wow. What do you think of that fire?
Too big.
It is real big.
Now it's gonna lay it right on the chainsaw. What happened to my chainsaw?
Oh, what? Our windows are delivered. Check this out. Goodness. So I just came downstairs and I am in the house by myself and I'm looking around at all these windows. When we made modifications to this house and picked this house, I picked it because it had a lot of windows and I loved all the natural light. But I guess I didn't realize how many windows were truly in this house until I just walked through here and noticed all of the windows that are sitting against the walls. Look at this, it's ridiculous. Windows, windows, windows. That's actually a door. But then look at all these. Oh my gosh. Windows there, windows there. More windows over there. Oh look, more windows piled 5 thick. Windows, windows. Oh, hello, more windows. There's windows everywhere. There's probably 50 windows in this house. Ah! This is a lot of work we have ahead of us, but well, the septic system on our camper backed up. It's a really small septic system. It's more for like a weekend type thing. But obviously since we've been living in the camper for 5 months, we filled it up and it's full. So they're here sucking out the poop.
guys gonna be okay out there? Come on in.
Good job, babe. It is raining very hard. I know. Babe, I'm so proud of you going outside in the rain.
You got it now?
Yeah! Oh my goodness.
That drawn her in. It's done. Have you moved it?
Mike, you're a genius.
Keep the fan going, buddy. That's all we need.
I went over there and set that, my thing on that ladder, my drill, and that was the worst flood in the place. I'll probably have to buy Darren a battery. Oh.
Good job, Anna. It's a muddy mess. We've been doing this for like the last hour. We're back at it the next morning just trying to recover from the storm. Everything is muddy and we can't lift up these metal sheets of roofing if they're muddy because they can't stand on them. It's just too slippery and too dangerous. So I'm cleaning every single one off and drying them off. It's untied! Ah! Oh no! Okay, drop it down. No, really? Fell to the basement.
That sounded like concrete.
So this is how we do it. There's always two guys up on the roof, and they make the measurements, write it down on a piece of block, and then I bring it down to Donnie, the guy on the ground, and he makes the cuts, and then we use the tractor to lift the piece of metal up to the top, and then they put it on. It's a time-consuming process, but it works.